for kite, L is for lamp. M is for moon, N is for net. O is for owl, P is for pet. Q is for queen, R is for rain. S is for sun, T is for train. U is for umbrella, V is for van, W is for whale, X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo, Z is for zebra. Now you know your ABC. Sing again with me.